Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to create a Telegram and map board using Node.js and NLP. This board can understand messages like add 5 and 6 or 10 minus 5 or divide 20 by 5 and etc. and give you the answer instantly. I will explain the code step by step so you can follow along even if you are a beginner. Now let us talk about the first we import the important required packages. Here we have const telegram bot. Here we have used telegram bot API which allows us to connect and interact with telegram friendly. And we have here Node NLP, where NLP is natural language processing. Here it helps our bot understand human language with natural language processing. Next we add our bot token from bot father. Here we have used the token which is only given by your bot father and we should keep it private from others. Here, we will add our bot token from bot father and create the bot instance with a polling. Here, polling means the bot keeps changing, keeps checking that Telegram for new messages automatically. Now, let's discuss about the NLP manager setup, which means we create an NLP manager which this manager will train the bot to understand English messages. We will now add intents for basic math operations like add, subtract, multiply, and lastly divide. Here we will train the bot, means training the or teaching the bot what to do when it sees certain messages. For example, for addition, we have this section. Here, number plus modulus is a placeholder for any number. We repeat similar steps for the subtraction, multiplication, and division. We also define a named entity for numbers so that both can know what numbers look like. Here this section represents that. This teaches that both to recognize numbers from 0 to 100. As we have used for loop, it checks the condition and then implement the if first we will initialize and then it will implement the conditions. Now we will train and start the bot. Once all training data is ready, we train the bot. Like we have here await manager, train manager save. This step trains the NLP model and saves it. Then we wait a couple of seconds and start polling for messages using our start bot polling. Here, now we will come with the main part, which is bot logic, which is used for handling messages. Here we use bot on message. Every time you user sends a message, this function runs. If the users send start, the bot sends a welcome message to explain it what to do. Like here as a send it start. It, uh, it tells the message it wants to tell me. Hi, I am your MacBook. I can help you calculate. Now, next we process the messages with NLP. Constant response equals to await. Const and equals to response to init. Here, intent tells us what the user wants, like math.add or math.subtract. Entities hold the number of extracted from the message. Then we calculate the result using switch conditions. Now, both sends the result back to the users. Like here we use o.send message, we use a chart ID to represent its result. Now, if the board disconnects, or an error happens, it logs the error but keeps it in. This makes them both fast and reliable. And that's it. We have a Telegram math bot that can understand natural language messages and calculate numbers for you. Now we can add 5 and 6 here and send the message to the bot which we have created. Like this example, we can use divide, print, even 5 and we get the result instant. Now this is our Telegram math code. Thank you for listening patiently.